Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Since in my last video we showed the ball joints and checking the ball joints, we might as well continue with the steering type suspension on the front of my Chevy because it's gonna need some other stuff, I'm pretty sure. So let's do a check on the Pitman arm and the idler arm and we'll see what those look like. I think I already know, did some preliminary, but we'll just show you. So now if my camera doesn't fall over, and if you watch here, you should be able to see movement if there is any. I'm going to go to the tire outside and I'm going to move it back and forth, and this is the Pitman arm. Should be in there moving around, well, which it shouldn't be doing, but and now we're gonna get a picture of the idler once I get around here and hopefully don't knock my camera around again. So there you have it. That is checking the Pitman arm and the idler arm on my 2500 HD Chevy. When I did my ball joint video, some of the people commented the reason it went was lack of grease. This may be true because I certainly don't maintain it like I should. The vehicle only has 85,000 miles on it and the parts are shot. But I'm not sure if anything was replaced on this before. I would have to look. But this truck is used, once again, as I've said, for plowing, and it's out in the harshest, worst elements. So, and also, if they have been replaced, just the shitty quality of parts. I mean, what else can you say? So anyhow, stuff needs replaced, we'll replace it. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. Just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. See ya.